Somebody had just admitted on a Samsung device. Could you unmute your device and start your video?
Yep, 1 second.
Okay. What is your name, sir?
Christopher Niece.
All right. So hold on 1 second. Well, I'm gonna have to hold on a minute because I don't have my paperwork in front of the court. Oh, it's in the folder.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, it should have been brought up on Wednesday.
She just stepped off the bench to get something.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please rise or request a session. Get seated.
Sorry about that. All right, this is in the matter of Ashley Nicole Rowe. Is there an Ashley Nicole Rowe here? No. Versus Christopher Ray Niece. We have two files. File number 16-43267. Mr. Niece, you're ordered to pay $180 a month in child support on that file. Your arrears on that file was $17,634. The last payment we received was $16.54 back on November 3rd of 25. You were to appear in person, Mr. Niece, so.
I didn't know that, ma'am.
Well, I told you on the record, you needed to appear in person and that you were to have a job. And then on file number 24-51464, Mr. Niece, you're ordered to pay $364 a month in child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage of $5,934. The last payment we received was $33.64 back on November 3rd. So again, now, are you going to interrupt me?
No, ma'am. No. I'm sorry.
So it was adjourned for you to get a job, and you've made one $50 payment. Do you have a job?
I have an interview today with Walmart's for the janitorial position at 11:15.
So, Mr. Niece, I'm going to adjourn this to Monday. Are we here, Miss Cam or Miss Anderson, on the 22nd?
I believe so, yes.
All right, so I'm going to set this over to December 22nd. You're going to show up in person. Repeat after me, in person. Yes, and you're going to provide documentation that you have a job, and you're going to be making payments. Do you understand?
Understood.
So if you show up and you don't have a job and you don't make a payment, you're looking at Christmas in jail. Got it?
Understood.
All right, we'll see you back December 22nd at 8 a.m. on both files. Thank you.
Thank you.
In the matter of Catherine Brink versus Michael Lewis, file number 2009-34541 DP. That matter has been adjourned to January 12th. In the matter of Abigail Craig versus Michael Madrid, that matter has been adjourned to January 12th. In the matter of Jessica Moog versus Scott Moog, file number 21-48105 DM, that matter's been dismissed. And in the matter of Mercedes Berger versus Ross Stant, file number 25-52416 DC, that matter's been dismissed. All right, so Jamie Smith versus Dustin Sharp. Jamie Smith. Are you Jamie Smith? Come on up to the podium. Well, let's see him in the waiting room. All right, so this is in the matter of Jamie Smith versus Dustin Sharp, file number 2007-31555 DS. So it looks like this is a show cause. This is a 2007 file. So it looks, I'm so confused. So it looks like you paid $888 back on January 14 and it got refunded. And you have an arrearage of $2,029. Kelly Cam, do you think you can explain to me why it got refunded?
Usually it's only refunded because they had already paid. They didn't have any arrears. So I was confused when I saw that.
All right, so Ms. Smith, obviously your child is over 18 now.
There's two of them, they both are.
Yep. And so there's no current charging support.
There should be for one of them still in high school, but the other one has graduated.
Okay, so they show a monthly charge of $0.
Okay.
So, Ms. Cam, this is your file. She's saying one child is still in high school. How old's the child?
18.
The emancipation order that we sent out might have not gone back to us.
Oh, okay, and so she's still in high school?
Yes.
Where does she live? Who does she live with?
She lives with her father, Dustin Sharp.
Okay, and Ms. Cam, could you explain to me why there'd be an emancipation order?
Well, not an order, I meant a notice. Usually we send out an emancipation notice to both parents 3 months prior to their 18th birthday. And if we don't receive it, then we don't continue charging.
Okay, so they would fill out and say, oh, she's still in high school, whatever it might be. Okay,
Right,
so they
and
didn't
high
fill it
school
out.
would have to confirm it.
Okay, so ma'am, we're not gonna address that today. So it looks like you have an arrearage of $2,029. And I'm not quite sure why you got a refund.
I never received a refund. See, our case, like you said, goes back to 2007 and we have switched back and forth for custody. And the whole case has been very confusing. I've gotten paperwork he should have gotten, he's gotten paperwork I should have gotten.
So you didn't get a refund back a year ago?
No, I did not.
All right, so I'm gonna set this over to January 12th. And I'm gonna ask you, Kelly Cam is your caseworker. Maybe go meet with her and Kelly Cam. She's up there, a dark-haired lady with glasses. Not me, the other dark-haired lady with glasses, but go meet with her to find out what's going on here because it's a little confusing. So I'm gonna set this over to January 12th at 8 AM. Also make sure that they have an updated phone number because if like a hearing gets adjourned or canceled, they'll call you now. Okay, so step down there today, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Janet Ladd. Oh, hold on, I got Mr. Lewis. Let him go. Who has L's now, Mr. Anderson and Ms. Camp.
I'm sorry, who has what?
L's, like Lewis.
I do actually.
Okay, do you need an updated phone number from Mr. Lewis?
I believe I have his correct number unless he just recently got a new one.
Okay, because it got
Yes,
adjourned.
I got it. I got it. I got the updated number.
Okay,
Okay.
so Mr. Lewis, hold on a second. So in Catherine Rink versus Michael Lewis, that's been adjourned to January 12th at 8 AM. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna pop you into a breakout room with Mr. Anderson. When cases
Okay.
get adjourned now, they will call you like the Friday before and let you know that it's been adjourned. So that way you don't have to stop work or anything. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Anderson and just go ahead and give him your updated phone number.
Okay.
And then I'll see you back on January 12th, but if you keep paying, obviously they'll adjourn it again. All right.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead and join that breakout room. All right, in the matter of Janet Ladd versus Mark Ladd. Mark Ladd, why don't you come up, Mr. Ladd? Thank you. This is file number 2010-4945 DM. So Mr. Ladd, we're here on in order to show cause. Looks like we were here back in October and we adjourned to today for you to provide a letter from a doctor stating that you cannot currently work.
Made an appointment with my doctor. I told him what he wanted. He laughed and he said, there's no way he can do that. No other doctor here can.
Really? Because I get them all the time.
I don't know.
Are you applying for Social Security?
Yes. I mean, it's kind of long.
Do you have an attorney that you applied for Social Security with? Because I will tell you, you don't have to hire an attorney to do that. Do you understand that?
Yes.
They get
told
paid
me
by the
that.
state. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
Mr. Ladd, I can't stop your child support charge until I get a letter saying that you currently can't work. I get letters from doctors all the time saying that so-and-so due to this, this, and this is not currently able to work. I mean, people get doctor's notes excusing them from work. So I don't necessarily believe that. So I'm gonna set it over to December 22nd at 8 AM. Huh?
You don't need to. You just need to listen to me, please.
I can't. Do you understand by law? Listen to me.
No, please, just
I
just
can't-
listen to me. It'll be 10 seconds. All I gotta
Okay,
say.
go ahead.
He laughed. He set up appointments for March to get those answers for you. So he asked me if I wanted them. I said yes, because I had to give them to you. And he set them all up. One's on like March 10th, and the other one's March 24th. That's for nerves. He said that he would not do any kind of letter
Okay.
because he didn't know me. He doesn't have a history.
So who's your treating doctor that you're using for Social Security?
Whoever they send me, I've had 3 doctors. Whoever they send me to, they're federal, they're not around here. The closest one was in
Are they through
Jackson,
VA?
No.
You said they're federal.
I guess.
Who sent you there?
They're owned by, whoever they tell doctors to do this work is who I see, right? And they've been in Jackson, they haven't been here, but none of that matters. I contacted SSDI. They sent me a letter, I have it with me. They said that I am disabled. That part of it has been done and approved. Right now, this very second, you're doing the money thing, I guess. So I have not been approved 100%, but I have on medical that I am disabled. This proves it. So
Let me see it.
that's why I brought it to you. So hopefully you wouldn't have to go through it anymore, and I still gotta go to the doctor, but you know what I mean?
All right, so it doesn't say you're eligible. It says you must meet to be entitled. We have found that you meet the medical requirements for disability. Please read it carefully. We have not decided whether you meet non-medical.
That's the money part that they have.
So are you applying for SSI or SSD?
Put me in, I called in, set it up, all the appointments, whatever they said.
Well, you know, I would think it'd be very important that you understand what you're applying for and educate yourself. SSD will pay money for your children. SSI is for people who've never held a job and didn't put enough money in for that. So if you have a long work history, you're probably entitled to SSD, which will make payments on behalf of your child. So I'm gonna adjourn this out to January 12th, but I want you to take that down to Mr. Anderson so he can make a copy of it for the file. All right?
That's it for the report, right?
Yep, go down to the basement and give Mr. Anderson a copy of that.
It's very confusing doing this.
Which
So
is why
if they
people
had me in
usually
the-
get the free attorney.
That's a problem. If I'm in the wrong spot, it's because of that. I told them.
Who's them?
Federal government. Whoever handles SS.
Okay, you know, you don't have to pay for an attorney to do all this, but anyway, that's if you're doing it, you gotta
I'll
figure
get
it
it.
out. So I'll see you back on January 12th at 8 AM. Take that down to Mr. Anderson, okay?
I don't have any problem getting one. It's just I figured since it's this far, I didn't know.
You're probably right.
You
So
know.
take that paperwork to Mr. Anderson and good luck with that. Okay,
When am I coming back? What do you need?
January 12th at 8 AM.
What do you need me to bring with
Just an update.
me? Okay.
All right, thank you. Miranda Tavarnak versus Donald Miller. Donald Miller. Paperwork. I do not think I have paperwork from Mr. Miller. Let me check. I didn't miss it. I don't have paperwork from Mr. Miller.
Receipt.
What'd you pay today?
I paid like a week ago, but it was 280.
Does anybody have any information on Mr. Miller?
So I don't have any information. Our system is down right now. I can't even look anything up. Do you know what day he made the payment?
24.
The 24th
Okay.
of November. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this to November 12th or January 12th at 8 AM. Mr. Miller, who's your caseworker?
I don't know that.
Okay. Who has M's now? I need an updated list of what you guys files
Yeah, we can
you
get that
have.
too. That would be mine.
Okay, have you updated your phone number in front of the court lately?
Yeah, that should be.
Okay, all right, so we'll see you back January 12th at 8 AM and you can zoom in too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
In the matter of Tabitha Paban versus Lance Lopez. File number 2011-37099 UE. Mr. Lopez was ordered to appear. He's failed to do so. He's ordered, it's arrearages only, his arrearage is $3,805.50. Last payment we received was 306 on May 15. I ordered him to start making payments on October 20 of $100 a month. He hasn't made any payments. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And I will set bond in the amount of 2,000 cash. In the matter of Walker. Mr. Walker, if you want to unmute your device and start your video, please.
Hello?
Good morning, Mr. Walker. Want to put your hood down?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I'm at work right now.
It's okay. So this is in the matter of Haley Vidales versus Reynold Walker Jr., file number 14-41077 DP. Mr. Walker, you have a monthly amount of $674 you're ordered to pay. You have an arrearage as of today's date of $9,526.68. Last payment we got was $198.51 on March 28 of 25. And you look like you're working. So where are you working, Mr. Walker?
I'm back. Last time I came in there, Miss Angelone, I was working at Evergreen Grease, but I went back. I tried to call you 3 weeks ago. I'm back at Stevens Disposal. I've been here for a little bit. I'm gonna be back at the same wage that I left off at. So if you guys can send a withhold form to Stevens Disposal, I can, start paying that, and I'll get that. Like I said, my daughter calls me for things. I know it's only a gift, but I'll get my arrears and everything taken care of. I just need a couple months to get everything situated. But I'm back at Stevens Disposal, honey, up in Petersburg, Michigan.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Walker, until it starts coming out of your check, I need you to make a payment, okay?
Okay. How much do you need me to make a payment for? Because
well, you gotta pay $674 a month. So you get paid every week or bi-week or every other week?
When I'll be getting paid every week here. I was getting paid bi-weekly at the other job. Yes, I will make a payment in about a week when I can get everything situated. I can make that full amount of the $700 for the month, honey.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjourn this to January 12th just to make sure you're making those payments. So you can pay it online or have someone pay it in person until it starts coming out of your check, all right?
Yes, ma'am. You said January 12th?
Yes, sir. January 12th at 8 a.m. Mr. Walker,
okay.
Does friend of the court have your phone number?
Yes, I gave them my phone number and my address.
Excellent. So they may, if make sure your voicemail is open, because if you're making payments, they may adjourn it or dismiss it, and they'll call and let you know. All right.
Okay, I'll just come up and talk to my worker before the 12th and see if I have to come in. But I'll get that taken care of. I appreciate you. You have a blessed holiday.
You too. Thank you, Mr. Walker.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. All right, Dion. All right, in the matter of Ionia Folk versus Dion Wilson, file number 20-47450 DP, says the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Wilson has an arrearage of $1,296.75. We did get a payment of $100 on November 6th. Looks like Mr. Wilson did not get notice to appear for today. So I'm going to adjourn this out to January 12th at 8 a.m. All right. So Stephen Wood. Okay, I got Amanda Wood. Why do I have Barry Sabolski? Come up to the podium, yeah. Barry Sabolski, go ahead and unmute your device. Good morning, Mr. Sabolski. Are you here for a friend of the court show cause?
I am.
All right, so I don't have you on my docket, which means that it probably got adjourned. Miss Cam or Mr. Anderson? So, Mr. Sabolski, do you have does friend of the court have your an updated phone number for you?
I believe so, yes. I've called and left
Okay.
it with them a couple times.
Okay, because they'll call and notify you like the week before if it gets dismissed or if it was dismissed, but I do not have you on my docket today, so it must have gotten dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Hold on one moment.
I do have some documents for you. Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So Amanda, Nimijian, do you want to unmute your device and start your video? All right, this is in the matter of Amanda Nimijian versus Stephen Wood, file number 20-47464DM. This is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Woods ordered to pay $3,145 a month in child support. Today's arrearage, as of today, is $81,557.45. It's your sixth show cause. We did receive a payment of $77.80 back on July 23rd of 2025. This is at least your third contempt of court. So if you're found guilty or plead guilty, you could be facing up to 90 days in jail. Are you receiving VA disability?
Yes.
Do you have your paperwork?
Yes.
Can I see it?
Yes. So it's just showing that each child is.
Hold on. All right, so Ms. Nimijian, have you been contacted by the VA? Because I have paperwork showing that you're listed as a fiduciary for payment for each minor child.
Yes, they do get $100 a month.
Okay. And are you on full disability?
No, ma'am.
So are you working?
No.
Okay, so who's the caseworker for this? Ms. Cam?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm gonna give that paperwork back to you. When we're done here today, Mr. Wood, I need you to go down and ask to speak to Miss Cam, because I would like her to have a copy of all that paperwork, all right?
Okay.
Now, it also requests that you petition for a child support review. Have you done that?
I did, and I didn't show up, didn't submit the paperwork, so I need a petition for referee.
So, Mr. Wood, this money keeps adding up, and it doesn't get backdated. So, you know, this is something you should have done a while ago. So today, I want you to go down the hall. I want you to get your petition for a referee hearing for a review of child support. He's probably, Ms. Cam, entitled to a free review.
I believe so, Your Honor.
Maybe. And if not, you might be able to waive it if you're not working right now. Do you understand? So, Ms. Cam, does he file the paperwork for an income review in the third floor or the first floor?
Through us for the 3-year would be downstairs in the front report.
I want you to go downstairs. I want you to ask for Ms. Cam. She's gonna get a copy of that paperwork. She's gonna give you some instructions. You need to do this now. Okay? Because if you're not on full disability, the state can still charge you with a felony for child support. Okay, I'm gonna adjourn this to December 22nd, because you're gonna come in and show me proof that you filed this paperwork. You got it? All right, so December 22nd at 8 a.m. Go down to see Ms. Cam, let her get a copy of that paperwork, and then I need you to file the petition today. I don't want you to leave this building until it's filed.
Okay.
So you're gonna fill it out here, you're gonna do what you need to do. It's gonna get filed. You could probably do a waiver if you're not employed right now for any filing fee, if there is one, no matter what it is. You do not leave this building until it's filed with the court.
Okay.
Got it? And we'll see you back December 22nd at 8 AM.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Nimijian.
Thank you.
I don't know who you are.
Armando, Damon.
Oh, yep, I think you're last but not least. Okay, so in the matter of Jersey Garza versus Armando Damon. So hold on, I got a couple people, I don't know who they are. No, come to the podium. I got a couple people, I don't know who they are in my waiting room. Mercedes Berger, can I ask what case you're here on today?
It's,
Oh, Ross Stan. So ma'am,
Yeah.
that was dismissed, so payments must be being made, so it was dismissed, all right?
okay.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
All right, I have somebody on a Google Pixel. Can you unmute your device and start your video?
Okay,
All right, can I ask your name?
my name is Scott Moog.
All right, Mr. Moog, let me find you here. Your case was dismissed, okay?
Okay,
You must be making payments, right?
yeah, I'm making payments.
Okay, good job. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. All right, so Mr. Damon, on your case, you are ordered to pay $534 a month in check support. And on its way, you have an arrearage today of $4,983. This is your third show cause, so you could be facing up to 90 days in jail for failure to pay child support. You did make a payment of $100 on November 17 of 25. You still working at my cousin Vinny's?
Yeah, on the 29th of this month, I take my final exam, so everything should start flowing back in. But I've been trying to make $100 a week.
Okay,
That's just until I take my exam.
okay. Did you pay 100 today?
Yeah, I got 200 for today.
All right, you want to go pay that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this out to January 12 at 8 AM. You go pay that 200 today. And you probably need an income review too. It probably wouldn't hurt.
Okay.
Okay,
So how would I do that if it's a?
you're probably entitled to a free, no.
No, he's already had one, so he would have to petition for.
When was his last one? Do you remember having an income review?
I'd say like 3-4 months ago.
Okay, so you've had a recent one. Okay. All right, how many kids you got?
Just one.
Just one? All right, well, hope you passed your exam.
And I've been trying to make my payments just so everything starts flowing back.
Okay. No, I appreciate that you're making payments on a weekly basis, so go pay that 200 today and we'll see you back on January 12th, all right? And hopefully you pass your exam.
Yep.
Thank you.
Have a good holiday.
You too. Miss Underwood, I think that's it.
Okay, someone wants to say hi.
Oh, we have Precious.
Hang on.